I've got mail.
Hey everybody, it's I think this is the first, I don't know, it's a segment of Mail Thing Thursday. Got some mail today, so I'm gonna record this and see what we got here. Got something from Amazon. Let's see, we've got some PTFE tubing. Let's see if there's a note in here. No, there's no note, no nothing. So remember, if you send me stuff, tell me you send me stuff so that I can say thank you to you on camera and that type of stuff. And then this might be what Michael was asking me about from the Mail Thing video, because I just got this in the mail. So he might have given it away of what this is. I'm not sure, but we will find out, because he had asked me about this on the last Mail Thing. And seeing how I had gotten something, then I thought that might be it. No, this is not that. What is this? What is this? I don't know what this is. But there's a note on it. Ha 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 ha. Alright, so let me read this. This is from Michael Stoffel, or Stoffel, or however you say it. I don't know how you say it. Alright, it says Octo Dreads, and you can see in there they're orange and blue. I'll take them out in a minute. Octo Dreads for your Florida Gators hat. Now you have a better set of dreads than Fun Time. So Fun King 3D. Attach the hat as you see fit. Maybe keychain hoops. Michael Stoffel. So let's open these up. I want to see what these look like. Come on, I want to see this. This is crazy. This guy is nuts. Let's see what one of these looks like, if I can get one out without it popping apart. Yes, I did. I can see that. Put that on my hat. I'll have to figure out how to do that. I will definitely. They look like octopus arms, but that is so cool. And he's got the orange and blue. So if I put them on my hat like so, it will look like dreads. That's just awesome. Can't wait to try those out. I don't know. I may task my wife with trying to figure out how to attach them to a hat. But we will figure it out. That is freaking cool. But he sent me a bunch of them. Oh, don't drop them. He sent me a whole bunch of them. And they all work. They're all articulated. And it's just freaking cool. Thank you, Michael Stoffel. And whoever sent me the PTFE tube, I thank you as well. That's cool. Thank you very much. And now, Michael, yes, I have the hat. You won't see it until Thursday, but yes, I have it. So we'll see you on the next segment in a few minutes. Alright guys, it is the last little segment of Mail Thing Thursday. Then I'm going to put it together and get it out there for you tomorrow. But I got one more piece of mail that I got and I need to open. So let me get a knife blade here somewhere. I've got one. I'm never organized enough to get it where I need to be. Alright, so we'll just use this tool here. How about that? Alright. Don't really need to go there. Let's see. Where's the opening of the box at? I don't even know how the box is. There. No, it's right there. Okay. Cool beans. Let me get this done. And this is from David Olson. And he sent me an email and said, "Hey, I got an email that said you're getting a package." And then I knew it was from David Olson because I know where David Olson sends his packages from. So unless somebody lives like right next to David Olson, I knew exactly who was sending this. And sorry, I found my knife. So I'm going to open this up. It's taped so well because it is filament, I can see. And I'm excited because it's one of those that I looked at. I couldn't find where to buy it. Let me cut it down here so I can get this done. I want to get this out of here because this stuff. Oh, and it's going to be where I can't see it. But this is ROHS. And it's called Silver Gray. But if you look really close, really close, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's kind of bluish color in the tint. But it's silver gray, but it's a metallic. And I saw some prints of this stuff. And they were gorgeous. So what we're going to do is we're gonna film this. and I'm gonna edit all this video together and get it uploading for tomorrow, so it'll go out tomorrow. But thank you, David Olson, man. That is friggin' awesome, because I could not find it, and you remembered that I said it, and you found it, and you sent it to me, and that is fantastic. Thank you, David Olson, and thank you, Kuntry Klub, and we'll see you in just a second. All right, guys. Well, that was another Mail Thing Thursday, and it was fantastic. And as you can see, the little things do go in the hat. Okay. I need to find some way to attach them to the hat so I can be like Glenn and have these like all over my head like dreads, a little octopi dread. Thank you, Michael Stoffel. It makes it fun to do things like this. Thank you, David Olson, for yours, and thank whoever sent me the PTFE tube. I don't know, but thank you very much. And that's another Mail Thing Thursday. I'm Octopus, and this is Kuntry 3D. See you next time.